Yeah, quarter, half, 3/4, whole. Quarter, half, 3/4, whole. Yeah. Use your breath. Have a nice path to your feet. Be confident in your fifth position. Stay vertical, right? All the fun things we talk about. Arms stay here until the third one, and then bring the back arm in, right? And then on the full and do traditional. But I don't want the arms to come down at all. Okay? We're fighting this action. Yeah, exactly. Second. And boom. Oh, that was lovely. Yes, man. Yes, man. Pull back on the left side. Twist that. You can your shoulder. There, that was better. Let's go again. That's right. Keep breathing. Use what got you to the dance. Don't sit back. Yes, man. Look at that fit. Oh, easy. And okay, first of all, yeah, right side was really good. Yeah, right side was like crazy super good. Yeah. When you go left,
I felt
you're
that.
waiting and
Yeah.
pulling, right? So you're getting here, and then the arm gets behind you too, so it doesn't stay with the torso. So it starts drifting on you. So you get back here, and it's like dragging in the water, right? You got to keep that whole side coming with you. Keep the arm attached to you. Yeah.
Okay.
We're not doing that again. That was really good. Let's go ahead and go corner. Balance it forward. Balance it back. Walls turn. Boom. We're gonna do kick attitude. Just two of them. Kick attitude. And walls forward, walls back. This time tall bend, hot right, single pirouette, and then double or triple forward. Yeah. So nice single, and then go right forward.
Back to fourth.
Yes. Okay. So what was the correction? What was your body trying to tell you there? Come over here. Please. Can't see. What was your body trying to tell you? What just happened just now?
I was in my closet.
A little bit quasi, but what was the correction you had to do after you came down?
Oh, like. Oh.
Right? You came down here and then you went, okay, you went again, because that's where you can turn from, come down nice, and go from there. Yeah, but make sure that back leg's turned out. You're like,
Oh, I felt it.
yeah. It's got to be from the hip, right? From the hip socket. Easy, and go. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, see, that's better. Try to go over, get the back leg nice and long when you land. Yeah. On the last one, you have your legs straight at the end. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, just at the end of your second pirouette, not during the pirouette. Have the smaller prep for the pirouette. But at the second pirouette, after the big one, boom, give me a little bit bigger landing. Yeah.
For the.
Yes.
What does it say? For the back.
Yes.
Stay where you're.
Yeah, so it's a little different. It's a little different path. So this one goes 1, 2, 3. This one goes 2, 2, 3. You gotta switch right away. Yeah, so it's boom, da, da, boom, da, da. Use that to go into it. Yes, exactly. Yeah. Nice and calm. I want you to take bigger steps, please, on your balances. Yeah, bigger steps. Yeah. Make sure they're front and back. Also, be careful of this arm, right? If we're talking about this thing, yeah. When you go through, if you go here and you go here, watch my arm. Look, I'm not gonna come together. I'm gonna go out, and then just lift this one and reach. Yeah. So you don't have to bring it in so far to you. Yeah. And good. Yes, ma'am. Keep the turn out as you come around. I need that stand leg stay turned out. and then double. You ready? To the left. Yeah? I want you to keep both legs turned out. I don't want you to squeeze. I see you. Relax, yeah?
Yeah.
Ready? 7 and 8. And da 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 and dun 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 dun. That was calmer. That's more savable. But I want you to commit to it. Get that standing leg straight and get turned out right away. Those are beautiful jazz turns.
Oh.
Easy.
What?
No, but that was actually
Where did
fuller.
I go?
That was fuller though.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that was a fuller position. There you go. You're still a little bit turning on this side. Yeah, let's try it. Good. Yes, man. And one. Now keep turning out as you come down. Yeah, good job. Better. Boom. Come on, big steps. Come on, then. Go for it. Good. And big reach. Zoom, ba, boom. Underarm. And, ooh, that was lovely coming down. I like the quality. All right, palabre and do it just one double. Don't do the two periods. Go Tommy palabre. Go Tommy. On the turn. Yeah.
Okay.
Breathe in and breathe out, and oh, look at that. No, but that was so much better. And then you just stuck your popo out at the end. That's why you had that weirdness at the end. Try that again, just like that, just like that. And breathe in and. Heavens. It's there, right? It's waiting. It's waiting for you. It's there. It's already in. It's like, let's go. Send me in, coach. Right? But you have to calm down.
Yeah.
And you have to give it the right signals. Yeah, especially on the side that feels funky. Yeah. Good job. All right. Glissade ensemble, cut. Glissade ensemble, cut. Second to the back. Second to the front. Yeah? No, go twice. So from here, second, back, second, front. It's 2 full circles.
Oh, when you said back, I thought you meant like face the back.
No.
Okay.
Yep, keep going.
That way?
Yep. Yes, that's right. Yep.
Okay.
Glissade, pas de chat, royale. Yes. Yeah, no. One and. Oh, don't let the old man show you up. Come on.
Oh, you want me to do it?
Yeah. I already had my time, lady. This is about you. Come on. Oh, yeah, better. Keep that second leg turned out. Yeah, it has to be faster. So, there. Yeah. Pas de chat, second leg has to stay turned out, and when you step across, don't do that.
Okay.
Step into the fifth. Pas de chat, fifth. Yep. Jump the échappés, please. You're just like scooting them. Like, jump. Get off the ground. Yeah, you're like, yeah. All right. It's too even, Em. It's too even. You're doing these jumps way too even. You're not getting any explosion into them. They have to go, snap the toe. Like it has to be so much faster than it is right. Yeah. All right. Not not tempo. Pace
Yeah.
of making the step happen, right? Different things. Okay, here we go. Yes, left. Make sure that that you keep the rhythm going. So, boom, boom, boom. It's like boom, boom, boom. Yeah, like you ever play records? Like turntable?
Yeah, I have one.
You have one. Okay, awesome. I'm so happy they've come back. You know what's on the wrong speed? It like if you slow the speed down,
Yeah.
it's weird, right?
Yeah.
That's what happens with the jumps. It just it's like, come on, let's go. Like you just want to like speed the person up. Yeah?
Yeah.
That was better. Be careful of your first royale is going behind you like a flutter kick. It has to go just side to side. Yeah, you see, it's where your weight is when you land, right? Where your weight is when you land. Boom, there, yeah, that's better. Then you're vertical. Yes,
Yeah.
left side. One more time. And then we'll do some pump ups. For those of you in video land, it's what us ballet fogies call grand pirouettes in second. Ballet fogey. That's the name of my new band. Here we go. And. Yes, ma'am. Turn out, come on. Going the wrong way that last time. When you're here, when you plie, you can't have this tuck, right? You just have to stay really tall. And when you come down, you have to plie with this side forward, not back here, right?
Yeah.
And make sure you keep that leg nice and extended and rotated, you know? Because what it wants to do,
Yeah.
that, right? Yeah. And there you go, that's better. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ah, those are getting so much better. Good. Careful of that. Just a little bit. I'm exaggerating. You're not doing it like that. There, that's better. Straight in. There, yes, ma'am. Keep the shoulders. You see that you're losing a little bit? There, yeah. Keep the turnout. Yeah. Good. Keep the height of the leg. Push. 2 more. Pull in. All right. When you're getting ready to pull in, right, be careful just a little bit here, and that made you just a little bit turned in, right? So boom, and then bring them straight in, nice and flat along the hip. Just do a couple, and then pull in. 1, 2, pull in. Boom. Ah, look at that. Yes, and then make sure you get down to your stand leg.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good job, lady. Thank you very much.